Okay, this is Unit 4 Percents Practice Test number 6, or it should be 5. Carl's Crazy Car Lot sells new and used cars. You find a new car that you love that costs $25,000, and you also find a used car that costs $20,000. So if the interest rate for the $25,000 new car is 1.9%, how much would you pay for the car if you paid it off and the interest in 1 year? So the total amount that you're borrowing is $25,000, so that's 100%. So the number line goes from 0 to 100%, $0 to $25,000. Now interest is going to be added on top of the amount you borrowed. So if you add that, you're going to have 101.9% is what you have to pay back at the end of the loan. So if it's 1 year, then that's only 1.9 one time. So now we have our proportion, so we can set this up. 25,000 over 100 is equal to x over 101.9. When you cross multiply, you're going to get 100x is going to be equal to 25,000 times 101.9. Then to isolate x, we're going to divide by 100. And we're going to get x is equal to $25,475. Okay, so to pay back the entire loan, we have to pay $25,475 back. So for part B, we're going to figure out what we would have to pay back on the used car. Well, the used car, we're comparing dollars to percents. The used car costs $20,000, which is less, but that's the regular price, so that's 100%, the amount we're borrowing. So then we're going to have to pay 7.8% on this one. So we're going to have to pay 107.8% is what we have to pay back. So we've got 20,000 over 100 is equal to y over 107.8. When we cross multiply, we're going to have 100 times y, and the other side of the equation is 20,000 times 107.8. Then we're going to divide by 100, and we're going to get y is equal to $21,560. So if the car starts out at $25,000, if we pay back the loan in 1 year, we have to pay $25,475. So the amount of interest we had to pay is $475. I got that because I took the amount with interest and subtracted the loan amount. If I do the same over here, the interest is going to be $1,560. Okay, the 20,000 plus the extra 7.8%. So the next question is asking you not which car you want to buy, but which one do you pay more interest on, the new car or the used car? So since the interest on the new car is $475 and the interest on the used car is $1,560, you pay more interest on the used car. You don't pay as much for it, but you pay more in interest. So I'm going to say you pay more interest for the used car. The interest for the used car is $1,560, and the interest for the new car is $475. Good luck on your test.